Okay, Jasper. Let's do this. Just me and you. Come on, see what you got. Biz Garnet, back together. And I'm never going down to the hands to the likes of you, cause I'm so much better. And every part of me saying go get her. The two of us ain't gonna follow your rules. Go ahead and use those fancy tools of yours, cause let's go just me and you. Let's go just 1, 2. Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I think you hate the way that we intermingle. Or I think you're just mad because you're single. We're never gonna stop cause we're made together. We are gonna stay like this forever. You break us apart, we'll just come back newer. We'll always be twice the gem that you are. I am made of love, of love, of love. See what I did there? Of love, of love, of love. No, Jasper, I like swapping the lyrics, you know? Just being cool about it. You just can't taste the fact that I'm dominating you. Well, Redhead, let's see what you got left. In 3, 2, 1. This is who we are, this is who I am. If you think that you'll beat me, well, you need to think again. I have a feeling that I will never end. Oh, I won't let you hurt my planet. Oh, I won't let you hurt my friends. Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? Oh, I know that there's something you're afraid of. Or is it I can see exactly what I'm made of? Oh, I'm even more than the two of them. Everything they care about is what I am. I am their fury. I am their patience. I am their conversation. Oh, I am made of love. Of love. Of love. And I'm stronger than you. Of love, of love, of love, and I'm freaking stronger than you. Of love, of love, and I'm stronger than you. I'm stronger than you.